Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
First of all, let me start by bigging up Sir P. Because the killing go on in a church really, and I kinda kick back and I watch all the information I drop out there. But doing my little research on that pussy a black as an, you understand? Big blood clot bottom feeder. Now, Sir P spoke about this dude 2 years ago, you know, dog. 2 years ago, Sir P brought this to everybody bumbleclot attention. And guess what? The Jamaican police them and the Jamaican Justice Department, them sit down and them not do nothing. Now, as soon as something go down, you see them run out, state of emergency, this, that, and all of a sudden them a find people. We hear Sir P say, well, him say that them kill a little man here, which is a friars, you understand? Some boy when him fly brain to blood clot, you understand? And the boy they in a Clarendon, I do not fuckery and enough killing, but yet still was allowed for roam. But what Sir P say, and me agree with it 100 blood clot %, you understand? Sorry for the bad words, I'm a little bit different than Sir P. Them killer friars here, fly brain, highway more name fly it, and the real mastermind get away. Cause the real mastermind them, me hear say them they are fine, everybody know. But when me I say to the man them, I want to speak to a bigger issue. Now the man them they are fine and them a sell drugs and I make money there. And certain things jump off. Now, I don't want to sound crazy, you know. Them think by killing the man them sister in the bar, and then the man them in the bar with them sister dead, them start send man now a kill off another set of man in a cherry lane, and they have the nigga they know black as an in their prison, like what Sir P say, a pop bomber clad champagne, and him that they are send out man. Now, to me, this is total madness, because why would I even get caught up in something like this? Now, as a real stepper, and a pussy take my food, I in me want. You understand? And I in me I go for. Me no care how long it take. Me nah go for nobody else, you know. And the pussy will take my food, I in me want. So, cause them know say, listen, once you step out and you start do things like this, what you think are gonna happen? But like what Sir P said, the man them can do a prison, a pop champagne, a this and a that, cause Sir P put up the thing where said the boy black as an a quadruple murder. Me I wonder what the police them a do about this, cause me hear say them have 5 people arrested. But do they have the right evidence Are they getting these guys to turn and talk on the man them but they are foreign so they can extradite them back to Jamaica? Are they doing these things? The Jamaican police have to learn how to turn them money in an informer. You have to learn how to work with the man them and turn them in an informer. All you have to do is dangle them freedom in front of them. You understand? Learn to put on microphone on them boy and camera and send them go in the blood clot thing and make them get information and go on the back. And that you don't have to start, you don't have to up on the intelligence. Cause you don't act like America, you know. You don't do everything America do. So I make you not up on the game in the policing. You think drone can't stop nothing? Me soon I fly drone a termite funeral. That now do not mean no. You need real live intelligence. Learn to turn them on them in an informant. Cause let me show you something. You see that ghetto? All of the Don man them, most of the Don man them, you know, are informant them, you know, from day one. And them work with police, and them work with government. And them work, when I say government, them work with the MP, the this, the that. Most bad man and Don man in Jamaica and other places in the Caribbean, them a big blood clot informer, cause them been a work with police. Enough of them, but them do, them push out the man them, the little foot soldier, the 87 bottom feeder them. You understand? And that, enough of them do. Look for all the youth them call me a Waldy from Jamaica. Them say a police kill him and him par with police. You understand? The man them get tired of them. So let me show you something. Most done man, or most man we say them are done, them a work with police. But yet still them label. The regular citizen them now, you know. If the citizen them run out on them and say, yo, pussy me, I tell police pound a bomb backlog. Fuck Ronaldo. Them label the people them as informant when most of the informing done by the dons them in Jamaica. And I want the people them understand that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So even though we see Jamaica police run out now and Andrew Holiness him do what I say, put out a $25 million reward at the right blood clot team Andrew do. There are certain things Andrew do for fight crime when me like. You understand? But me feel him have to go big or stay home. Yo, the state of emergency upon the whole of Clarendon, okay. But what you need to do, you see all of how me can put it. You don't have no intelligence. I don't know who for name a call and this and that. You have to take the state of emergency to another level. So you have to end up and have an island-wide state of emergency, just like El Salvador. And what you do, you pick up the people them, pick up the man them, pick up the girl them. We are influence, violence, produce and do the fuck with everybody. And set up 110 prison, like with them have over Arizona. You have army here can guard the 10 prison. Cause Arizona sheriff, at the time, couple years ago, him not sheriff no more. What him do, him set up a tent prison and the man them live out a blood clot door, running a fence, in a some tent. And at this so, them have to do them time. All of the roughneck, bad boy criminal them, una go tent city. So if you don't have no money for build no jail, build up some tent city jail, prison, do a island wide police state of emergency, and you scrape up every man name where I call, and you bring them down and you go check them out and you hold them. If them family a blood clot, hide them and bring them family too. You have to show the people them at Jamaica say you're serious. Now upon the flip side of that, we are going to suspend them constitution, you know, for the whole island. But at the same time, we are going to uphold constitutional laws pertaining to certain things. Anything we have deal with criminal and security and them things there. Rather than going at the tent city, go sit down and then we sort it out. You understand? It's an unlimited detain and detention, and that's where Jamaica need. If the Prime Minister them, even the one them where PMP who said them a go win, if una nah do them blood clot thing there, to turn Jamaica around, una have to go 360 degrees. Countrywide state of emergency, emergency prison below 10 city them, una have 14 parish, una can build 14 10 city prison. And listen, una go parish to parish and scrape out all of the blood clot and wanted people them we are suspect name a call. And the constitution suspended. So no lawyer can get involved in this. We, the government, are the vet and check out from head to toe. And once you're good, if you're not gangster, you know mix up, you're free. You understand? You have to really go hard and choke on that one here. Listen. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world. From where you see something going on, you know, but some man cause it upon themselves, you know. Countryman, tell them. No throw stone if you're in a glass house. How you feel living at the place and a pint the boss out. See man a do them thing and a run on the ras mouth. International badness when you no passport. Can't find the book, jump on the ras mouth. Do this a couple time and turn in a ras coat. Fuck the jail, fuck the ras. Everything out of the 4-5 clip and march out. Countryman. Block the road, we in a camouflage. Every man have them too like we walk in a garage. On the street, red beat it, passage. All beef, all we cook, we never know. So them coward. Turn up the pressure cooker, you mean if we go hard.